out riding the bike on top of the world. Hey, noisy. We're here at 80th Avenue. This is the multi-use path. Golf carts, walking, doggies, scooters, e-bikes, whatever you got. There's the entrance to Circle Square Commons up here. Southwest 80th. And 80th Street. 80th Avenue, Southwest 80th Street, because we're in Southwest Ocala. That's where Old Top of the World is, and further up is Stone Creek. And for 55 plus, On Top of the World's 55 plus, and Calicia, which is a multifamily, which was built by the On Top of the World builders. And it's supposed to be like one of the best multifamily areas around. So if you're looking at Ocala, Central Florida, to move, it's a great place. So look at On Top of the World as your replacement for the villages. I'm over at Wayborn Landing neighborhood, which has cheaper HOAs than most of On Top of the World. Something to consider. Oops, almost got hit by a bike. We're loitering around here talking to you guys. All right. Like, share, and subscribe if you learned anything. Bye.